Starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to share your content and ideas with the world. Here are the basic steps to follow to start a YouTube channel.
Sign up for a Google account if you don't already have one. You'll need a Google account to create a YouTube channel. Once you have a Google account, go to youtube.com and sign in. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and then click on Create a Channel. Choose a name for your channel and a category that best describes your content. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture and banner image. You can also add a description of your channel and links to your social media accounts.
Start creating and uploading videos to your channel. You can use your smartphone or a camera to record your videos. Make sure your videos are high quality and engaging to attract viewers. Promote your channel and videos on social media, forums, and other platforms to attract subscribers and viewers. Interact with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. Remember, creating a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be consistent, engage with your audience, and keep improving the quality of your content over time.
Good luck. All the best. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video.